So I moved this spider off of the couch and it wants to fight. It is mad. It is so mad. It's just going for it. This envelope that moved it. I don't know what kind of spider it is. Gotta stay outside. It's coming after me. Oh my god. It is coming after me. Holy shit. It's coming after me. Yeah, go the other way. No, don't come after me. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming after me. No. I'm gonna have to fling it the other way. Look at it, it's coming after me. This is evidence. Yeah, go the other way. Please, find a different spot. Thank you. Go. We're done. Go. No. Go. Thank you. She got out of the way.